Hello, nature enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into the captivating world of the rose, the queen of flowers. This delicate, fragrant flower has a rich history and a myriad of fascinating facts that make it truly unique. Roses, as we know them today, are a symbol of love, beauty, and elegance. They've been around for thousands of years, with their origins tracing back to ancient Persia. These beautiful flowers were first cultivated by the Persians over 5,000 years ago. From there, they spread to other parts of the world, captivating people with their beauty and fragrance. The rose is a member of the Rosaceae family, which is a large group of plants that includes fruits like apples, pears, peaches, and plums. Roses are known for their 5-petaled flowers, which come in a wide variety of colors. They can be red, pink, white, yellow, orange, purple, or even blue. Each color has its own unique meaning and symbolism. Roses are not just beautiful to look at, they also have a rich history of medicinal use. The ancient Greeks and Romans used roses for their healing properties. The petals were used to make ointments and teas that were believed to have healing powers. One of the most fascinating facts about roses is their thorns. These sharp spikes are not just for show, they actually serve a purpose. They help protect the rose from predators and harsh weather conditions. But be careful, these thorns can be quite painful if you're not careful. Roses are also known for their fragrance. Each rose variety has its own unique scent, making them a favorite among perfumers. In fact, the rose is the national flower of the United Kingdom and the national flower of the United States of America. In addition to their beauty and fragrance, roses also have a rich symbolism. In many cultures, the rose is a symbol of love, passion, and romance. It's no wonder that roses are often given as gifts on Valentine's Day. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of the rose, the queen of flowers. With its rich history, beautiful colors, and unique symbolism, it's no wonder that the rose is such a beloved flower. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of roses, be sure to check out our other videos on nature, history, and more. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.